RAIS William RUTO ntukoya umonde nekirete kirore watho wa kuga Kigiina nthini ya Kenya ke mwaka wa 2024 watho uyu ugatigira makaunti ni makugwata bilioni $460 imwe na thirikari nene ikigwataga trilioni $5 nikienda kubingia uthii na mbere
for which it was intended to serve. Mighty Father, these resources that you've given us as a country, may it be used prudently by our people and our leaders to transform this nation.
Your Excellency, this state ceremony is convened pursuant to Article 115 of the Constitution for presidential assent of the Supplementary Appropriations Number 2 of Financial Year 2023-2024 and the Division of Revenue Bill 2024. The bill advances the administration's fiscal consolidation plan through expenditure rationalization. In that endeavor, the bill reduces the overall budget for financial year 2023-2024 by Kenya shillings 132.46 billion from Kenya shillings 3,981.53 billion to Kenya shillings 3,848.07 billion.
The other aspect of it with respect to Article 223, Your Excellency, is to allow the national government to undertake certain humanitarian measures in areas that have been hit by the floods. Subsidy for fertilizer. There are also certain funds which have been directed to mopping up of excess milk that have been produced by our farmers, Your Excellency.